Alright, so we about to go meet up with my boy Chauncey. And yeah, we just about to hang out and chill. And I'm about to show y'all a little bit of his S2K and what he got done to it. So yeah, come along. Clean. God damn. Look at that ass. She got the yeah. Look at them lights though. Straight from Japan, gang. We're at X-Drive today. And we're about to, I'm trading in my Beamer for my S2K. And I'm test driving it right now. So yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know what happens. And yeah.
Cameraman for today, but yeah.
Tell them to subscribe to your YouTube channel.
Yeah, so pretty soon I'm gonna be starting a YouTube channel. It's gonna be ch_AutoX, and I'm gonna be doing some car videos and shit I be doing. But yeah, stay tuned.
Subscribe to my boy. He's about to be uploading some banger ass videos. Today it's gonna be the last day with the Honda, and I'm at the dealer right now. Today is gonna be the last day with the BMW. I put on her stock wheels, and yeah, I'm about to trade it in for the S2K. Damn, she's finally leaving after like 2 years, no more, probably like 3. But yeah, my baby's leaving. We secured the vehicle. I'm in the V right now. Shit, secured the vehicle. Damn, bro. Like, I can't believe it. Like, I actually got an S2K. Like, it's mine, bro. I got an S2K. Went from a Beamer to Hondeezy. You know the vibes. I'm the second person. I'm the second person in Brockton with a Hondeezy. Sony's only second person with a clean one too. I'm not gonna lie, this shit's mad stock. Like the radio, everything, mad stock. Literally, bone stock. Finally with the S2K. Shit's pretty clean. Bro, you see the struggles? Like, I can't flip the camera. Like, you know how, like, you can't flip it?
Oh, you can't?
Yeah, like, when I record, I can't flip it. So I gotta be like this. But yeah, this is pretty clean. We got 60K miles, bone stock. And then this is Chauncey's. He got a wide body, new wheels, the tail lights. Shit's clean. And then new hardtop.